I've had my Nespresso machine for 9 years, and there comes a time when your coffee isn't hot anymore. So I talked to some people, and one of the tricks is you could run with no pods in and run your machine 3 cycles to make it hot first, so that way you start getting hot lattes again. So there's nothing in here, and we're just gonna run 3 cycles of water. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm about to run my 3rd cycle of water. Hopefully it cooperates. Flashing button. So this machine is 9 years old, so it has made me a lot of lattes over the years. Maybe the other button will work. There we go. Okay, so now we have, it's nice and hot, it'll run hot. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a caramel macchiato through Starbucks.